My video guide is about getting rid of fake security alerts that are related to the site Noxert.xyz. Noxert.xyz is a dangerous site that may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make you download and install some potentially unwanted applications. But you need to disregard these fake alerts. Don't trust them and don't install what they promote. Just leave this deceptive page. Also, I recommend you to research your computer with Combo Cleaner that can be found on the website combocleaner.com. So use this green download Combo Cleaner button, install it, and start researching this system to detect and remove other threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of this scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.